storm is now heading in Michigan near Crystal Falls out of our jurisdiction. This storm is our main concern right now, heading into Langley County out of Marathon County, northeast of Wausau. Weather spotters have confirmed that there is a tornado on the ground with this cell. They're actually saying it's quite large. It may be a quarter to half a mile wide, but they're only getting glimpses from lightning and power flashes. We're getting some damage reports now from State Highway 52. Trees and power poles are down on the road, and law enforcement officers are not able to possess further.
To all those listening in Antigo right now, or just generally in Langlade County, you need to be underground right now. This is a very serious situation. Weather spotters have confirmed a large wedge tornado is heading toward the area of Antigo.
Tornado warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. for Langlade County. Tornado emergency for Antigo. At 9:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and storm spotters were detecting a large and extremely dangerous tornado. This tornado was located to the southwest of Antigo and was moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The tornado will be at Antigo around 9:05 p.m., Rhines around 9:20 p.m., Lillian Hollister around 9:35 p.m. Other locations impacted include Dearborn, Polar, Freeman, and Carter.
Approaching a collapsed house. I've got survivors. Gas leak. Hurry, we have to... Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? What?